Are you confident your groundbreaking peptide research is fully protected? The rising tide of unregulated compounds outside controlled lab settings threatens to undermine legitimate innovation. Today, we're dissecting the complex regulatory landscape surrounding unapproved research materials, a critical challenge impacting the integrity and future trajectory of peptide science. We'll explore how these materials circulate and what it means for your strategic compliance. Unapproved research compounds increasingly move from controlled laboratory settings into unregulated distribution channels, creating significant challenges. Online platforms facilitate sourcing peptide analogs, bypassing standard procurement protocols for research-grade materials. Cost disparities often drive researchers toward unverified compounds, perceiving them as more accessible for experimental work. This blurs the lines between lawfully procured research materials and those circulating without proper regulatory oversight. It raises critical questions about data reliability and the reproducibility of scientific findings using such materials. The fundamental challenge here is maintaining the rigorous standards of scientific discovery in an era of rapid, often decentralized information exchange. How do we ensure that innovative research is built on a foundation of verifiable materials and processes? It's about translating the complex law of the lab into actionable strategies for intellectual property and regulatory exclusivity. For deeper dives into biotech compliance and strategic regulatory pathways, follow Peptides today on all platforms. I'm Anya Sharma, your guide through this intricate landscape. Under the Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act, materials intended for specific biological effects require clear regulatory classification. Labeling strategies alone often fail when the actual intent of material distribution extends beyond controlled research parameters. Without independent testing and robust quality assurance, product purity and authenticity for research cannot be verified. Inaccurate material quantification or improper handling introduces significant variables, compromising experimental validity and data integrity. These factors create substantial risks for legitimate research, impacting intellectual property and future market access strategies. Proactive compliance is not merely a legal checkbox, it's a strategic imperative for every organization in peptide discovery. Understanding and anticipating regulatory shifts is crucial for protecting innovation and ensuring data integrity. By prioritizing transparency and quality control, legitimate research can distinguish itself and thrive. Be sure to follow Peptides today and me, Anya Sharma, for continuous updates and expert analysis on these critical pathways. Before we sign off, a quick legal disclaimer. This podcast is for informational purposes only and is not medical advice. All compounds discussed are for research use only and not for human consumption. Always consult a licensed healthcare provider for medical needs and treatment.